Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress manually on your cPanel file manager. Make sure the domain or subdomain you want to install WordPress on is already connected to your hosting server. If you don't know how to do that, check the video description, there is a video that covers that. Now head to wordpress.org and then download the latest version of the WordPress software. So click on Get WordPress and then download the latest version of WordPress over here. So click on download. Now while our file is downloading, log into your cPanel. Now scroll down and then locate database. So scroll until you locate database on your cPanel. So you can see over here database. Now click on my SQL database over here. Now open a notepad from your system so you can keep track of these details. Okay, so now we're going to create a new database. So give your database a name. Now let's call this demo 1 and then click on create database. Now copy your database name and then paste it in your notepad and make sure you note it. So this is my database name. Go back. Now scroll down. So we have to create a user for this database. Now enter the username for this database. So let me just go with demo 1 again and then set a password for this database. So you can automatically generate a password. So I think I will go with this, use password. Now make sure you keep track of this detail as well. So this is my database password. Remember, never share this detail with anyone. Now click on create user. Now you can see this is our database username. So we also have to copy this. Now go back, and lastly we have to connect our database to the user, and to do that scroll down and then you will see a section over here, add user to database. Now select the user, which is demo 1, and then select the database, which is demo 1 as well. So you can see over here this corresponds with the user and the database we created. Now click on add. Now click on all privilege and then click on make changes. Now you can see our database has been connected successfully. Now go back. Now head back to your cPanel main page by clicking on cPanel logo up here. So now we are done with setting up our database. Now we have to install WordPress on our file manager. So click on file manager and then locate the folder or domain you want to install WordPress. So my own case, I'm installing WordPress in demo.teemagoddowell.com. and this is a folder which is currently empty. So let me just delete these 2 demo files here. So delete it off. Now let's try to view this site right now. So this is how the site looks like currently. Now there is literally nothing on this domain at the moment. Now we are going to install WordPress on this domain and build a website with it. So let's close this. Now upload the WordPress file you downloaded from wordpress.org. So you can see upload button over here. So click on upload and then select the file from your system. The file is zipped, so upload it just as it is. So just upload. Now after successfully uploading this file, click on go back and you can see the uploaded file over here. Now click on it and then right click on extract. Click on extract file to this same directory. Okay, so this file has been extracted. Now let's reload this page and then open the WordPress folder. Now select all files by clicking on select all and then click on move. Now we are moving it to our domain folder, so remove the WordPress over there and let it be with just your domain folder, and now click on move files. Now let's go up 1 level. Now we can delete the WordPress folder which is up here since it is empty. You could also delete the WordPress zip file since we don't need it. So let's just click on delete. Now we are ready to install WordPress. So head on to your website domain, demo.teemagoddowell.com, and once you open your domain where you just extracted this file, this is what is going to show the WordPress installation setup. Now select your language and click on continue. So you can see over here, this is why your database details are very important. Now click on let's go. So enter your database name here, the username, the password. So let's get our database details. So this is our database name. Let's copy it, paste it there. Database username is the same as the database name, so let's paste it there as well. And then your database password, paste it there. Now your database host is always localhost, so you just leave it this way. And the table prefix, let's just call this TEEMA. Now click on submit. So you can see we are ready. Now click on run the installation. Now enter your site title, username which you want to use for login, and then the password which you want to use for login. So I think I will use my database password as the password I want to use for login. And then enter your administrative email. If there is any issue on your website, this is the email you're going to receive the message. So make sure you put an email that's working properly. So if you want this website to be visible on search engine, then you should leave this option. But if you don't want it to be visible, that means you want it to be invisible, then you can turn it on. But I want it to be visible, so no problem. Install WordPress. Now you can see our WordPress site is ready. So let's log in to our admin dashboard. Now log in with your username and password. Now make sure you jot down your username and password, because this is what you're going to use to access your admin dashboard. Now let's log into our new WordPress site. Now we are right on our WordPress site. So click on demo site and view site. Let's see how our site looks like. So you can see over here, demo site, just another WordPress site. Now we can customize this site and do whatever we want to do. We have currently installed WordPress version 5.9.3 on our website, and it is good to go. You can watch all of my videos on how to build a successful WordPress site on different niche without coding. The link will be provided in the video description. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.